is your Filipino radio experience in Las Vegas. PHLV Radio. PHLV Radio.
Hello, good evening everybody. It's Friday night. So, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat if you're watching us in the Pacific or in California or in Los Angeles where I'm currently based. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So, if you're watching us in the Philippines, good lunch. Happy lunch to everybody. And as always, I hope you're having a wonderful lunch with your friends, family, loved ones, significant others. And if you're watching us in different parts of the world, depending on where you are in your time zone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And happy viewing and good day to our Team Share and Team Replay. Yan. Before anything else, firstly, before anything else, we are live on different podcasts, namely Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, iHeartRadio, and Spotify. And the most recent addition to our podcast is Amazon Music. Yan. Kompleto na. Also, we are live simultaneously on PHLB Radio Facebook page as well as PHLB Radio YouTube channels. So please like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully by now you are all a subscriber. And if you want to be notified every time a show of PHLB Radio is on air, just click on that notification bell. Yan. Also, if you're using Amazon Fire TV, all you have to do is look for PHLB Radio channel, or if you're using Alexa, all you have to do is say, Alexa, play PHLB Radio. Nako, before anything else, meron tayong mga first order. Casimiro Ang, Jojo is watching us from Legazpi, Albay, and or in Bicol region. Yan, so hello, regards to you, to Auntie Cora, and to your lovely wife, Matet, and to your son, Nathan, as well as Yvette. Gilda Cooper, who I had lunch with today with some of our good friends here in Carson, California. Happy viewing sa'yo. Si Conjen Adelio Cruz is watching. Conjen Adelio Cruz is the current Philippine Consul General here in Los Angeles, and I don't know, I think he was in Las Vegas to open or do the ribbon cutting for the historic Filipino town dyan sa Maryland in Las Vegas, and with of course together with the Filipino community in Las Vegas, Nevada, together with the lovely wife Lilette or Catherine Lilette Cruz. So happy viewing sa iyo, Conjen Adel. Yan, teka muna. Today it's really a really wonderful day. But before anything else, please do say a prayer for the people in the Philippines. As you have known by now, they were hit by Lindol, an earthquake last week dito sa Cebu. It's 6.9, and most recently, nagkalindol naman sa 4.6 sa Baguio, and also 7.6 in Davao. So please do, if you could say a prayer for our friends, family, brothers and sisters na talagang suffering right now. All we have to do really is pray for the Philippines and bless the country para with all these calamities happening. We just have to pray for them. But before anything else, si Rom Bin David. Hi, Rom. Rom is watching us from KL, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Si Dr. Tiffany Gonzalez is watching us as well. I think she is currently now in Philadelphia, if I'm not mistaken. Happy viewing sa'yo. And of course, to your hubby or to your husband. Happy viewing sa inyong lahat. So before anything else, let me greet yung mga nag-birthday celebrant. Ferdy Mendoza, October 2nd, as well as Marita Mendoza, October 3. And I was just told that they had this wonderful celebration in Barcelona, Spain, as well as the Montserrat, the Black Madonna. So again, happy belated birthday sa'yo, and I wish you good health, abundant wealth, and incessant happiness and protection. And yeah, tapos teka muna, si Rom Bin David said, Happy Saturday po. Yes. And here, Rom, it's a Friday here where I'm at. Si Acel Ortega, hi Josh, sabi niya. Acel is the lovely wife of Joel Ortega of the Hagibis Group. Sila yung Hagibis USA, who will be having a wonderful tour next year in all over United States. So before anything else, let's help our friends first to promote their events happening soon. Aba, teka, before we go there, si Sam Espinoza. Sam Espinoza is the husband of Trish. Trish Espinoza, the owner and proponent, of course, of the Trish Hotel and Trish Resort in, Magaldan, Pangasinan. So if you guys are looking forward, I can't wait to visit them and to try their coffee and of course the resort itself. And of course I was told they renovated the hotel. Super ganda. If you are looking for, especially people who will be visiting Pangasinan, for if you guys wants to visit Manaoag, you don't have to go in and out now. You could stop by at the Trish Hotel. They have a hotel as well as a resort. Yung resort nila, we did already a show about the Trish Resort, Trishland Resort, and definitely it is a place where it's like enchanted kingdom / for Filipinos abroad, para siyang raging waters with all this wonderful swimming pool. So happy viewing sa'yo, Sam Espinoza, a singer as well as a good father as to the 3 kids. Yan. And of course, a loving husband to Trish. So happy viewing sa inyo. Okay, before anything else, let's help our friends who are having all these events. Let's start with I mentioned Hagibis. Hagibis, yung group nila, Eugene Baidal, is having Hagibis Bar Tour in the Philippines. And it's gonna be all over the place starting October this month. And let's show the poster. They're gonna have the Hagibis Bar Tour, and it's gonna be October 24 at the Quezon Robinson Santa Rosa, and November 8 at the Social House Circuit Makati. November 19, it's gonna be at the Red Rhino Mandaluyong, and then December and of course December 12, it's the Burial Bel Air Santa Rosa. For information, you could of course check the Facebook page of Eugene Baidal Official, or you could contact his number at 099-564-71172. Okay, yan, Hagibis, who will be having their US tour sometime next year. Yeah, but for now, if you want to catch the Hagibis group, they're having this bar tour concert. Yeah. Then another friends of ours is having this wonderful yung mga 70s kids. You guys will have the best time ever. It's gonna start. It's Jep Rocks the Musical. Nako, grabe. Jep Rocks the Musical. Mga awitin ni Mike Hanopol. And it starts, our good friends, sila Geneva Cruz of Smoky Mountain fame, si Jeffrey Hidalgo as well, si David Esra. David is the son of Dulce. And then Nino Alejandro, Sheila Ferrer, and of course, the very famous Jet Pangan. It's Jep Rocks, the Musical. It's gonna be from November 20 to the 30th. Okay? So every day yan. So for tickets, you could call, nasan na yung tickets nila? The Jep Rocks, the musical. You could get the tickets now. It's available at Ticket World. And you could call this number hopefully we could put it on our screen as well. Ticket World 0917 550 6997. 550-6997 or 099-954-5922. Okay? 099-954-5922, or you could go to www.ticketworld.com and as theater in the Philippines. So don't forget, Jeff Rocks the Musical. Ako, yung ano to, rock na for sure. So this is gonna be exciting. And of course, as we all know, teka muna, may mga pumag. Si Hilda, happy viewing sa'yo, watching us from the Philippines. Now, there's another thing that I'd like to talk to you about, but we'll save it for next week. There's this wonderful thing happening next year. I-announce na rin natin. And hopefully we could invite the Congen General in our show one of these days, maybe before the end of October, depending on his availability. We will announce officially this VIP tour, a very important Filipinos. Yan. It used to be the Ambassador's Tour. It's going to be happening sometime in July. And we'll talk more about that in succeeding shows. But we'll definitely invite him to talk about that and, of course, to talk about other things that's happening in our Filipino-American community. Yan. Now, our guests for tonight, there's three wonderful guests that's on standby. Before anything else, I think it's been announced anyway. They're having this wonderful, amazing show. Bali, this particular show, I watched this already back in Philippines when I was there. They had this wonderful show that they did at the Music Museum. I was lucky enough to watch it, and I really, really would like you guys to take notice of it. And if you could really watch this wonderful show, it's Pokey the Musical or Pokey Concert. And I need to pronounce it correctly para hindi tayo ma-MTRCB or ma-censored. So this is none other the US tour version of Po and Pokwang, with special guest artist si Chad Kinnis of the Best Bex Battalion. Ayan, let's show the poster. So it's gonna start. It's gonna be the 5 shows here in the year, but it was postponed for some reason. But they're gonna they'll be flying in on the 23rd of October. But the first show, it's gonna happen on the 25th. Saturday at the Scottish Rite Masonic Center in San Francisco, California. And then the following day, which is Sunday, it's going to be October 26th. It's going to happen at the Clovis Senior Center, Clovis Center. And then it's going to be, teka, nawala siya. Yan ang poster, if you see that. And then the following week, which is November 1st, it's gonna be on a Saturday. It's gonna be at the San Diego area at the 4 Points by Sheraton. Okay, and then November 2nd, the following day, which is Sunday, it's gonna be here in Los Angeles at the Saban Theater, and of course, the last leg or the last show they're gonna have is on a Friday, the following week, November 7th, at the Emmanuel Center, Houston, Texas. And again, this is a wonderful show that you should not miss. Sabi nga nila, parang with all the things happening in the world, nako, we need to laugh and we need to have fun. At talaga, this show is really one of those. Si Poo at saka si Pokwan with Chad Kinnis US Tour. So without much further ado, let's do the interview I did for the three artists that will be top billing or will be headlining this particular concert tour. So let's do the interview now with none other the comedian Pokwang, Chad Kinnis, and of course Poo. Alam Mo Ba with Josh Andowit. And we have the famous, I would say, trio of this particular show who's going to have 5 shows for the US tour. Finally, natuloy na rin. And this is
issues right now, but definitely we're going to roll the
hashtag Pookie Show US Tour. And the beautiful thing about this show is I watched them. I happened to be in the Philippines when they had it at Music Museum, and it was a riot. Nako. And of course, who could not know this trio of famous comedian from the Philippines, and none other than, of course, the lovely, the voluptuous Poc Wang.
Wow, may kakatawin voluptuous.
And of course, si Poo is there too. And of course, there's special guest with Chad Kinnis. Hi, Chad.
Hello.
And of course, everybody's asking me, bakit wala raw ang Bex Battalion?
Iba po yung Bex Battalion. Siyempre, ang mga kasama muna natin, mga OG, mga old gods.
Yes.
Of comedy, yes.
Okay, first question. You're having 5 shows here finally na hindi natuloy a couple of months ago, and finally you're having your 5 shows here in the US. It will start sa October 25. Ang saya.
Yes.
And then it's gonna be all over the place in LA, in San Francisco. It's okay. Let's just do it quick, and we'll show also while I'm talking, you'll show the poster of this particular show. It's gonna be October 25. It's gonna be at the Scottish Rite Masonic Center in San Francisco, California. October 26, which is a Sunday. It's going to be at Clovis Senior Center, Clovis Center. And then, of course, it's going to be there. Then after a week, they're going to be November 1st. It's going to be at 4 Points by Sheraton in San Diego.
San Diego.
October 2nd, it's going to be at Saban Theater in Los
Angeles. November 2nd.
And then they fly all the way to Houston, Texas for November 7th at the Emmanuel Center in Houston, Texas. So among these places that you're going to be going to, which one is you're most excited about?
Lahat. Kasi matagal din lalo na ako. The last time na nag-show ako dyan was 2022.
Correct.
Ay, mas matagal. Ako mas matagal.
Oh.
Ay, tama pala. Ako din pala 2022.
Yung BFF kami ni Kay Brosas. That was the last time.
Magkasabay din tayo noon. Ano yung Bex Battalion last time.
Kaya lahat to excited talaga kami. Sobra.
Pokwan, they want to know paano raw kung manood, kasi your first show will be in San Francisco.
Yes.
Paano kung manonood si X?
Magbayad siya. Magbayad siya. Tapos dali na rin niya yung
Sustento.
Ang tagal na niya din nagbigay, no?
Ooh,
yes,
question for you. People are asking, are you gonna do a Manny Pacquiao skit? Because yan ang very famous sa'yo dito sa our part of the world. Yung skit pag si Manny Pacquiao. Kasi they have not seen you do it for the longest time.
Nako, so sinabi mo nga, longest time na yan. So ngayon napakarami pa po namin bagong gagawin. So yun po ang abangan nila.
Yes, tapos yung show niyo sa Music Museum, I know you touch on some of the, I would say, very controversial political characters. And it was such a big hit when I was there and I saw it.
Yes.
Ang tanong ng marami, will you be doing or you'll be covering or touching some of these political commentaries or skit or satire?
Nako, kasi kung sasabihin natin ngayon kung ano magaganap sa show, hindi na sila manonood. Kaya yun ang puntahan nila dahil bigla-bigla na lang may mga bago kaming inilalabas.
So dun sa show ba, will it be, kasi as always, yung mga shows naman, di ba, pag napalabas na, people are taking videos of that. May mga lumabas na kasi sa internet. So people would like to know, will they see the same show na napanood sa Music Museum? Kasi just to let you guys know, yung mga hindi pa nakapanood, yung opening number pa lang ni Pokwang at ni Poo, pasabog talaga. I cannot give you anything. It's a sight you need to see. Yung opening number nila, buwis buhay, in my opinion.
Medyo nag-mellow na nga kasi may edad na kami.
Susubukan namin ngayon sa pagkakataon ngayon.
Video.
Oo. At saka yung mga nag-upload sa internet, pinaghahanap na po ngayon.
Tsaka yung
Pinaghahanap daw po.
at saka po maganda, every show namin, kasi maganda buo kay Pokwang, very spontaneous. So bawat show talaga, nag-iiba. Super duper nag-iiba. Minsan yung opening namin, ginagawa namin closing, ganun.
Yun ang question kasi nila kasi di ba 5 shows dito from LA, San Francisco, LA, San Diego, and then of course it's gonna be another LA, and then of course it's gonna be all over Houston, Texas. So each show ba will be different from each other kasi yung ibang bumili ng ticket, they're asking us through internet, they're asking kung yung show nyo sa San Diego will be almost a duplicate of what you're gonna be doing in San Francisco, in LA, and Houston, and mag-iiba-iba ba siya aside from yung kung whatever sabi nyo nga maraming mga possible ad-libs?
Actually, wala rin naman pinagkaiba sa mga international artists. Like, kung mga tour nila, same set ng shows, pero sa same sets ng shows namin, may mga nadadagdag, nababago, may napipihit, may naaayos. So, ganun siya. Parang sila J-Lo, same set sa Singapore, same set sa Philippines, sa Asia, sa Japan. Ganun din siya. Oo, kasi nakakapagod naman bawat state papalitan namin ng buo. Di ba?
Pero ang maganda kasi, yung nga, katulad ng sinabi namin, very spontaneous. So sa bawat set, may talaga kaming set ng show, pero kasi yung mga ad-libs, hindi na pipigilan yun pag may biglang pumasok sa utak.
Natural na lumalabas.
Natural na lumalabas. So definitely, in every show, same set, but there's always something new.
Okay, and ang maganda kasi, when I watch yung original show sa Music Museum, ang maganda kasi sa inyong tatlo, tinginan lang. Tapos parang you have your own moment na parang you guys talk about it. Ang daming lumabas na I know it's not wala part sa script kasi minsan si Pokey natatawa na lang siya bigla tapos si Purin basta may mga ad-libs, and I think that's the yun yung pinakamaganda doon sa show na yun. Parang hindi siya super scripted.
Ang nangyayari kasi minsan, humahaba yung show kasi kaka-adlib namin dahil ang hirap ikat lalo kung ang taas nung tanggap ng tao, yung energy. Ang hirap ikat. Kaya minsan si Mamu, yung director namin, si Mamu Andrew, ayun, Mamu, mag-say hi, Mamu. Andito si Mamu Andrew, yan.
Pasensya na po, matakas ang ako dito.
So, ayan.
Hello, how are you, Andrew?
Hi.
Inaawat na kami, yung haba na ng show. Inaawat na niya kami. So, kasi ang hirap nga namang ikat pagka ganun yung saya-saya pa Yun. Ito pang responsable.
Okay, now that you're doing this 5 show in the US tour, are we expecting you, kasi a lot of our, kasi this particular show is global, yung alam mo ba with Josh Andowit. So meron na agad, kasi nag-promote na kami when a good friend of mine who I worked with her is Beng Suarez. And then what we did, si Beng. So pinromote na namin yung shows nyo. Now, people from other countries, including, of course, North America, which happens to be US and Canada, magkakaroon ba raw ng Canadian leg at saka European leg?
Meron. Yay!
So, it's gonna be maybe next year, hindi na this year?
Next year po, next year.
Yeah,
Next year tayo, no?
Tapos, tinatanong din ng mga producers na mga kaibigan natin, sinong dapat kontakin? Is it gonna be Andrew? Is it gonna be Pokey? Sino ba dapat kontakin kung if they want to get the show?
The show.
Mm-hmm.
Siguro Sparkle and Marvin. Sparkle, sa Sparkle po, and then Marvin Caldito.
Okay. And
ano rin namin yan.
Okay, so wala pa namang set on stone yung shows nyo sa Canada. Kasi yung nag-i-inquire sa akin would be a Canadian producers.
Alam ko, kinausap na rin si Marvin and Sparkle para sa Canada. Meron akong nakita, Saskatoon? Tapos meron akong Edmonton na, and then Calgary. May mga gano'n na namumuong ulat ng panahon.
Okay, pero
Tacloban, ganun.
Okay, nothing set on stone yet, right?
At meron din kaming inquiry sa Australia,
Okay.
Brisbane at saka sa Melbourne yata or Sydney. May mga ganun inaayos po. Yung mga
Right. And then also people from Dubai, actually ang nagtanong rin sa akin is Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and there's another one. Doha, Qatar. Meron bang naka-line up na or is it
Tapos na po kami sa
exploring
Dubai. Actually, kakatapos lang po namin sa Dubai.
that?
Yun yung unang-una.
Kasi I know nagkaroon kayo ng Guam, di ba?
Yes, yun yun. Yung US show, ang first leg po talaga namin yung Guam.
Yung Guam. Okay. Now, ito yung mga questions when they found out that we'll be having you as guest. Pokey, tinatanong nila, how are you na? Are you
Mabuti
happy?
ako. Masaya. Maraming pera. Maraming trabaho. And tawag dito, maganda yung negosyo namin, mabiyaya ang buhay.
Yes, people are asking, yung negosyo mo ba, yung pa rin yung mamang, yung dati?
Yes, oo,
Okay.
yung ating gourmet. Oo.
Oo, yun pa rin.
Yun ang aking breakfast kanina.
Talaga,
okay.
thank you.
So online pa rin, they could still contact you.
Yes, meron
Okay.
kami sa TikTok shop at saka meron kaming FB page. Doon sila umu-order yung Mamang Pokwang's Gourmet.
Okay, yung isang business dati, wala na yon.
Wala na yun.
Okay,
Nilibing
para
na natin
klaro.
yun.
Yeah, kasi to my understanding, parang, I don't know kung uma-under pa yung website na yon, but
Wala
now
na,
it's mamang na
wala
lang, di ba? Yung gourmet.
Wala na. Pinasara ko na yun, wala na.
Okay, but you're happy. Kamusta
Yes.
kamusta daw ang lagay ng puso mo ngayon?
Ay, ang puso ko ngayon ay tumitibok para sa pera. Para sa pera, para sa mga anak ko. Yun na lang ang tibok ng puso ko ngayon. Pera
Okay,
at saka
may
pamilya.
mga inquiry raw. Are you ready to fall in love again?
Hindi na. Wala na. Wala na. Tuyot na. Tuyot na.
So,
Tuyot
trabaho
na.
na lang muna.
Trabaho na lang. Yes.
Okay, when are you guys planning to come in? The first leg would be on the 25th of October. So malapit na, few weeks na lang. Are you
25
having
na
a press
mag-aas,
conference here first? O wala pang advisement ang producer?
Alam ko 23 yung alis namin ng Pilipinas. 23 yung alis namin. And then pagbaba dyan, may mga yata kami, may mga meet and greet muna with the sponsors and producers, mga ganon. May mga ganon pagbaba.
Okay, kasi Poki, the last time na nakita ka namin dito is because of Becky and Badet. Well, you were not here for the Manila International Film Festival, but we saw Eugene Domingo, and at that time people were looking for you because they had that big festival here in Los Angeles, and of course you're part of that show, and people were asking for you. And hopefully this time around you'll be here. Now, si Poo naman, Poo.
Yes pa.
Parang nawala ka muna sa international scene. What's keeping you busy?
Wala. Sakto-sakto lang. Bahay-bahay lang. Tapos, mga konting pinagkakaabalahan. And then, comedy bar, mga ganyan. Pero kasi, nung pandemic kasi talagang nasa house lang ako eh. Hindi ako nakalabas-labas.
Now, paano to nabuo? Itong kasi hindi, well, of course, I've seen some shows with Pokey, with Chocolate, and then of course with Kim Idol. But yung dalawang yun, bless those souls, they're no longer with us. Pero I've seen some of the shows. Now, itong group na to, itong trio na to, paano to nabuo? How this came about?
Ano kasi to, galing kasi ito sa Pukwang na una naming show ni Pokey. So, siguro naisip na ba't hindi tayo mag-repeat, pero dahil may nakapatent po kasi yung copyright yung pangalan namin sa Pukwang sa dating network, ngayon gumawa kami ng bago. Tapos si Chad na rin naman yung isinama namin.
Now, question, put you on the spot. Among the many people that you could have as a guest artist, bakit si Chad Kinis?
Nakita po nila kasi wala akong trabaho, naawa. So, halika nga,
Kasi
trabaho
Chad,
tayo.
ano kanila rito sa US, tinatanong, bakit hindi si Lassie? Bakit hindi si MC? Bakit si Chad Kinis? And I said, this is what I told them. I've seen the show, And I think you'll be amazingly surprised with the companies.
Exactly. Oo. Actually, may kanya-kanya naman talaga silang galing. From Chocolate to Kim Idol to Lassie and MC and Chad. May kanya-kanya silang galing, may kanya-kanya silang mga panggulat, may kanya-kanya silang mahusay na timing. Nagkataon lang talaga na si Chad kasi, ang tawag dito, matagal na talaga namin talagang katrabaho din. And siya lang kasi yung, ang tawag dito, writer din kasi ito eh. Writer din siya. So, malaki din talaga yung contribution niya talaga.
Tama.
And Chad, how does it feel to be working with the two finest comedian of Philippine industry, showbiz industry?
It's a privilege and a dream come true. Kasi bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na sa bus yung dati nilang show na Pukwang.
Talaga ba?
Totoo. Sa bus, pinapanood ko yun sa bus. Sabang bumabiyahe papuntang Maynila. Nag-audition ako ng The Library. Dati, pinapanood ko na yun sa bus. Tapos may mga CD pa doon. So,
Pumibili ka ng Pirate 10!
siyempre, sinabi ko, may CD pa lang. Pero hindi ko binili. Sinabi ko, nanonood lang. Hindi. Tapos, siyempre, kasi ba naman hindi gusto makapagtrabaho kay Naipu, kay Naipokwa. Mga nangyayang ko sa industriya, nagsisimula ako, super support na yung mga yan ng bonggang-bongga. Pero I never had a chance na makasama sila sa isang malaki entablado. And for so many years, this is the first time na nakasama ko sila. And I'm so happy and my heart is really full kasi yung makahilera lang sila na sila kasi yung mga haligi ng komedya ng Pilipinas, syempre, di ba?
Makahaligi. Papunta na tayo sa Tatay Dolphy, ha?
Haligi. Tapos kaya sila yung haligi, ako yung inanay. So, kaya bagay, di ba?
Tama.
Hindi, I'm so happy and super duper excited ako lagi pag nag-show kami kasi sobrang saya na kasama si Naipu at si Naipokwang. And it's such a privilege and honor sa akin.
And then they were asking kasi kung magkakaroon ba to ng different version. Kunyari ngayon, si Pokey, si Pokwang, and then of course you, Chad Kinis as special guest. Magkakaroon daw kasi people are asking also for Kay Brosas. Kasi yan ang laging tandem eh. Diba?
Baka hindi natin maaaring lumawak, maaaring dumami kami. Para lang, alam mo yun, mas the more the merrier, ika nga. Mas marami, mas masaya, alam mo yun, yung mas marami maiko-contribute na.
Yes, yung title nila magiging, Pukay-Kay.
Pukay-Kay.
Yes, parang magiging title namin, Pukay ni Pokwang.
Makinis.
Careful. Teka muna, since we asked yung status ng puso ni Pokwan, they're asking also naman si Poo. Kamusta naman ang puso mo, Poo?
Wala po. Hindi ko na po alam yan.
Teka,
wala na siguro na walang time eh.
Walang time, sobrang busy ba?
Hindi naman sobrang busy. Matagal na siyang nakalock.
Teka, si Chad Kinis din. Chad!
Yes po!
Ay, in love yan, taga Pampanga. In love siya sa taga Pampangan.
I know, we saw that
wala
interview.
Wala rin, tagal na nun, Nay.
Parang wala na ba yun? Talagang wala na? Kasi maraming gustong magtanong kung available ba raw kayong tatlo.
Yes, very much.
Minsan nga po nag-iisipan na namin, baka kami na lang po magkatuluyang tatlo.
Diyos ko po, Lord. Huwag naman.
Ayaw mo ba?
Okay, among kayong tatlo, sino yung pinaka maraming nagaging late? I know si Pokey hindi yan nalilate eh.
What do you nalilate sa?
Nalilate sa mga yung magpa-practice, mga rehearsal. And I know, well-known ka.
Sobrang aga ko lang talaga.
Si Pokey kasi to my understanding from previous people that you work with, you're always on time. You're never late.
Yung dalawa, eksakto lang sila. Dumarating sila ng tamang oras. Yung, alas 8 talaga sila darating. Ako kasi, dahil malayo nga yung bahay ko, traffic, Antipolo, so talaga nasanay talaga ako ng lagi, ahead ako ng 30 minutes, mga ganun.
Now, now that you've been working quite some time na kay Pokwang, what can you tell about her na hindi alam pa ng public?
Aeroplano, ano?
Matatakotin sa eroplano yan. Matatakotin sa eroplano. Laging pag nagta-turbulence, bubuksan niya yung bintana.
Now, Pokwang, sino si Pokwang when no one's watching?
Nanay. Nanay na ano, ang tawag dito.
Nanay na aligaga, ganun.
Ano ko lagi, advance ako mag-isip. Sabi akong mapraning, ganun. Oh, hindi pwede yung ano, ganyan. Saka sa bahay, alam mo naman ang panahon ngayon, di ba? Tapos puro babae pa yung anak ko. So, sobrang talaga ako sa bahay. Strict talaga ako sa bahay. Patawa ako on cam. Pero pag sa bahay, sobrang strict ako when it comes to security ng bawat isa.
And congratulations, I saw that you moved to a new house yata, di ba?
Yeah, oo.
Yeah, I saw that and it's beautiful home. Feeling ko kasi mayroong nangihinayang.
Talaga ba? Parang di naman. Parang di naman yung nangihinayang.
Yung business mong gourmet, mag-a-add ka raw ba? Ito yung mga questions. Mag-a-add ka pa raw ba ng different line? Or different product rather?
Wala na muna siguro kasi masyado marami na yung mga pag Pasko lang, pag ganito magpapasko, nagdadagdag ako like yung most requested ko na roasted chicken.
Ubi halaya.
Ubi halaya meron naman. Oo. Yung roasted chicken ibabalik ko siya. Every lang pagka ganitong mga magpapasko lang. Tapos yung baked salmon, yun.
Now, this Christmas though, are you coming out with some bundles for your business?
Oh, sorry? Am I in my what?
The holiday season is almost here. So they're asking kung magkakaroon ka raw ba ng mga bundle for your business.
Meron. May mga Christmas bundle na kung nangyayari, mga naka-basket siya, yung nakabayong, yung nakabayong. Yan. Tapos sila na lang yung mamimili nung kung ano yung pwedeng ilagay sa loob ng basket, ganyan.
So customized, kumbaga.
Correct.
Okay, now, Poo, who are you when no one's watching?
Ano po? Sorry?
Sino si Poo pag walang tao nanonood?
Nasa bahay lang, kung ano na lang ginagawa. Buting-ting, kaliko, ganyan.
Ikaw na. Sino pa yung mga bagong caricature na gaya mo aside from Manny Pacquiao? Meron bang bagong character kang makikita sa succeeding shows?
Depende kasi, biglaan lang lahat. So, abangan na lang po nila yan.
Okay,
kamukha niya.
Okay, let's go with message na. Because I know you have another taping to do at Family Feud with Dong Dantes. Message. Message to the people who are planning or still contemplating to buy the tickets for your shows. Ano yung message mo for them?
Ayan, sa lahat po ng mga kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid, lahat ng kamag-anak dyan sa US, sa October 25 po, nasa Scottish Masonic Center, San Francisco, California po kami. Mabibili niyo po ang ticket kay Yolisil sa number na 650-808-0563.
Ayun, on October 26 naman, Sunday, sa Clovis Senior Center, Clovis, California. Tawagan lang po si Tita Nemia, 650-238-4987.
At sa November 1 naman po, Saturday po yan sa 4 Points by Sheraton, San Diego, California. Tawagin lang po si Ate Jean, 619-228-3331.
November 2, Sunday sa Saban Theater, LA. Tawagan lang po si Tita Faith, 562-964-3434.
And sa November 7 naman po, Friday, si Emmanuel Center sa Houston, Texas. Tawagan naman po si Geraldine sa 346-815-0540.
And don't
Ayan.
worry guys, yung mga nanonood right now, I know we're gonna show you the poster at the same time, the numbers that you need to call.
Yes.
This is one show that you should not miss.
Oo.
Because I mean, with all the things happening in the world, with all the
Correct.
drama happening in the political
Exactly.
scene, this is
Tama
one
lang
hell
natin.
of a show. Talagang nakakatawa talaga. At yung I mean, I cannot tell you kasi ayokong preempt yung mga numbers nila from the very beginning to the end at in between. Talagang riot, if I could say it myself. Including, of course, pag pumasok pa yung character ni Chad Kinis, it's just, basta, I'm giving you a 2 thumbs up all the way up. Nakakatawa itong show na to. Okay, last up, Chad, message to the people. Ikaw, message mo for everybody.
Let's keep laughing dahil sobrang dami ng problema sa buong mundo and sa bawat buhay natin. Wala pong masama na minsan tumawa tayo, paminsan-minsan para makalimutan ng mga problema. Dahil alam na natin, it's a cliche, but laughter is the best medicine and it's the best thing to do when you are lonely. And even if you're not lonely, you should keep on laughing. So para laging happy lang yung buhay.
Yes.
Okay, now, thank you for that message. Po, ano raw yung mga social media na where they can follow you? Facebook,
You can
Instagram?
follow me sa Instagram sa _TIK, Putik. And sa page naman po, Pu the Comedian. Ganun din po sa TikTok, Pu the Comedian.
Okay, how about Chad Kinis?
Sa akin po, lahat po Chad Kinis lang. Lahat po yan. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and lahat YouTube.
And of course, si Pokwang?
Sa Instagram po, it's Pokwang27. Tapos, ganun din po sa X or Twitter, di ba? Pokwang27. And sa TikTok naman po, Mamang Pokey.
Okay, and last question for everybody. How you guys want to be remembered? Po muna. Anong gusto mong matandaan sa'yo ng tao po?
Na may kalbong nagpatawa sa inyo, ganun.
Chad?
A pretty face in charot.
parang walang sumeryoso sa tanong.
I want to be remembered. Hindi ko pa maiisip kasi gusto ko pa mapahaba. Kasi pag-remembered, parang ano ka na, paalis ka na, pababay ka na. So hindi ko maiisip kung
Hindi, ibig sabihin, ngayon, tuwing mabanggit yung pangalan.
Tuwing mabanggit yung pangalan ko, I just, a funny person. So, yun lang, parang pag nabanggit yung Chad Kinis, good vibes yan, funny.
And of course, si Pokwang?
Ako, gusto ko pag tuwing mapapanggit yung pangalan ng Pokwang, matapang na nanay, masayahing nanay, lahat gagawin para sa pamilya. Ganon.
At deportation,
Deportation diva.
Alam po, uso-uso kayo dito, ang ayos, ikaw rin.
Oo, di ba?
Malakas ang ano dito.
Kaya ko magpa-deport.
Okay, since the holiday is almost here, message for the holidays. Po, ikaw muna. Message, malapit na ang Pasko.
Ayan, magmahalan, Merry Christmas, at syempre laging maging mabuting tao.
And Chad?
Let's keep giving not material things, but love to other people and love each other for no reason at all. And
of course, the beautiful Pokwang.
Wow, beautiful talaga. Ayan, spread love, not just every Christmas, kung pwede lang everyday, kailangan ng mga kababayan natin ngayon yan sa mga nangyayari ngayon dito. And pray for our country, pray for our families, yon. And pagdasal natin lagi na kaligtasan ng bawat isa. And yun, Merry Christmas at ilagay natin dito lagi kung ano talaga ang spirit of Christmas.
Okay, again, looking forward to seeing guys. If you have not purchased your ticket yet, this is one hell of a show that you should not miss. Okay, and it's gonna be, again, starting October 25th, which is a Saturday. It's gonna be their first U.S. leg. It's gonna be at the Scottish Rite Masonic Center in San Francisco. And for tickets, you could call area code 650 808-0565. And then, of course, October 26, the following day, Sunday, it's a Clovis Senior Center. Senior Center. Teka, nawala. Senior Center. And you could call NEMIA 650-238-4907. And, of course, the following week, it's going to be November 1st, All Souls Day. It's going to be at the 4 Points by Sheraton in San Diego. And for tickets, you could call si Jean at area code 619-288-3331 or Faith 562-964-3434. And of course, the following day, November 2nd, which is All Souls Day, it's going to be at Saban Theater in Los Angeles, California. And you could call si Faith at area code again 562-964-3414. And of course, their last leg for this particular for this particular wave, it's going to be November 2nd, which is a Friday. It's going to be Emmanuel Center in Houston, Texas. And for tickets, you could call Geraldine at area code 346-815-0540. And again, we're showing you the poster as well as where you could get the tickets. So if I were you guys, I saw this particular one. I can't wait to see again this version that they would have in different cities. This is one show that you should not miss. Of course, it stars Pokwang or Pokey. It stars Pooh, and of course with Chad Kinnis. You cannot have the best artist, comedian artist in this today's generation. Talagang basta, panoorin nyo yung opening number, not to miss, huwag kayong malilate. The opening number, if they're gonna redo yung ginawa nila talaga, I would say it's one of the buwis buhay na gagawin, especially pagpasok pa lang ni Pokwang. That will be
Josh,
so awesome.
Thank you, Josh. Maraming salamat.
And thank you guys. Thank you for, you guys have another show, another thing. At sa guesting, maraming salamat for guesting on PHLB Radio. Alam mo ba, looking forward to seeing you guys in person, hopefully one of these days. Bengsu, maraming salamat for making this happen. Pokwang, and of course, Chad Kinnis. God bless us all, and I'll see you soon.
Get ready, America! Comedy royalty is coming your way! The iconic duo, Pooh and Pokwang, are back live on stage, sharper, sassier, and funnier than ever. And joining them for the ride, Chad Kinnis. Hashtag Pookie US Tour. Be there or be left out.
Had with the three artists, the comedian artists of Philippine showbiz industry. Sabi nga ni Chad Kinnis, mga haligi. Si Pokey or si Pokwang, as well as, of course, si Pooh. Like what I said, I watched this at the Music Museum early this year. Nakakatawa talaga siya. So hopefully you have the chance to watch it. There's 5 shows that they're gonna have all over the US, and like what was said earlier, they will have the Canadian tour. So just in case yung mga viewers natin sa Canada, you would be able to watch that as well, maybe early next year, as well as yung mga nasa Middle East. So I think the show itself, sabi nga nila that it's one hell of a show. So talaga nakakatawa, and please do watch this and support our Filipino artists. Talaga nakakatawa, especially with all the things happening in today's society, especially in the Philippines, our beloved country. So magandang matawa naman para medyo nakakagaan ng kalooban, kasi sabi nga the best medicine kung mayroon tayong pinagdadaanan is laughter. Yan. So I really highly recommended yung show na to, yung Pooh and Pokwang with Chad Kinnis as guest, US Tour 2025. Yan. So with that, maraming salamat again, Beng Su Suarez or Beng Suarez Nang for arranging everything, and happy viewing also to Sparkle of GMA Network. Maraming salamat for allowing us to interview the three artists. Also, maraming salamat to everybody who watched the show. Hindi ko na masyado nabati kayo because tuloy-tuloy po yung interview, but I tried to respond doon po sa chat room, and hopefully I'll see you again tomorrow for the show, Dear Kuya Josh. It's going to be 10 p.m. in the Pacific, and it's going to be 1 p.m. Sunday there in the Philippines. And for the other time zone, or the other times of the show, depends really on your location and your time zone. Yung mga nagte-text po sa akin, please, like, if you miss any of the show, especially where to buy the tickets, you could just go to our PHLB Radio YouTube channel. Right after the show, it will be part of our archive already on the playlist. So, and of course, it will be repeated again. If you go to PHLB Radio Facebook page, as well as Josh Andowit Facebook page, it will be posted there as well. So, what a wonderful show we had today. Maraming salamat po for those people who watch the show live. Maraming salamat. I am as always hindi po magsasawa si Josh Andowit, si Kuya Josh, to thank you for always being here supporting the show, our show here at PHLB Radio. Maraming salamat. And with that, every time I close any of my shows, I always remind people to be kind. You can never ever go wrong with kindness. Although there's like right now, like I had a meeting earlier, at ang dami talagang mga things happening in our lives that talagang testing yung ating patience, as well as there's so many hurdles and challenges that we go through life as we go through our daily lives. So, but try to be kind. And also, if you could do any act of kindness, it is already guaranteed. If you do an act of kindness to anybody, it is guaranteed it will come back to you in different times, different person, different situation. And it's already there. It's like a guarantee. Sabi nga nila, when you do good to people, it will come back to you. It will be boomerang back to you. Hindi man from the person you did this wonderful thing, but definitely it will definitely come back to you. It happened so many times, and one of these days I'll share that with you as well. And my third reminder is, when you wake up in the morning, be grateful for a new day, a new beginning, a new lift, a new page on your life. Now you could make things different from the day before. And of course, when you wake up in the morning, aside from being grateful that you have a new list on life, you make sure that you choose to be happy, because when you're happy, it kind of set the whole mood of your whole day. So regardless of any problem, any hurdle, any curveball that will happen to you that moment in time, that particular day, you will refer back to that happiness that you made a decision to go through your day that very day. At with that, maraming salamat. I can't wait to see you again next week, next Friday here in the Pacific, or next Saturday, or depending on where you are in the world, depending on your location or time zone. And I'll see you for my other show tomorrow, Dear Kuya Josh, with a brand new letter. And hopefully you could join me again tomorrow. Like what I said, this is not Kuya Josh's show, but this is our show. And it takes a village to have a show like ours. At maraming salamat to the management, of course, and to the owner, as well as to the technical team of PHLD Radio for making sure that we could give you a very good show day in and day out, and a weekly show. At maraming salamat po. Looking forward to many more shows, and thank you for all the wishes and the blessings that you are bestowing upon, not only for myself, but also the show, and of course, PHLB Radio. With that, good night, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody. Hello, world. our Team Replay, Team Share, happy viewing sa inyong lahat. Looking forward to seeing you again next week. Bye, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, everyone.
Get ready, America! Comedy royalty is coming your way! The iconic duo, Pooh and Pokwang, are back live on stage, sharper, sassier, and funnier than ever. And joining them for the ride, Chad Guinness. Hashtag Pookie US Tour. Be there or be left out.